everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a delicious idli dosa batter made out of millets. I have used foxtail millet. Adding millets to the dosa batter not only increases the nutritional value of the batter but also keeps the taste same as the regular rice dosa batter. Wash and soak rice, urad and millet along with fenugreek seed separately for 6 to 8 hours. Then grind all of these ingredients coarsely, mix everything together and leave it to ferment for at least 6 to 8 hours in a warm place. I left it on a gas stove after cooking food. It was warm enough and the batter almost doubles in size. Only once the batter has fermented to your liking or doubled in size, then add the salt. Do not add it before. I'm using my trusty cast iron pan and I'll show you how I season it before making dosas. Apply a generous coat of any flavorless oil or coconut oil. Any oil with a high smoking point is recommended. Sprinkle some water and take a tissue paper or a clean cloth and wipe along all the water and oil from the dosa. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times and your cast iron will be seasoned properly. You will not need any oil before making the dosa. I made this dosa for Ishi's lunchbox for the morning. She really likes dosa with some sort of filling. Batter to the center and keep swirling it. Do not get scared that dosa will not reach to the corners and everything will start cooking. It will not happen. Just keep patient. Move your spatula slowly and comfortably. As you can see, do not dilute the dosa batter. If you have ever noticed any dosa vendor making dosas, then he would have never had a liquidy kind of a batter. It's always a little thick. I am putting some not so spicy podi masala and some tomato sauce. I'll add generous amount of homemade paneer. And it makes a wholesome tiffin box recipe which will keep Ishi full throughout the day.
We'll take it easy, we'll take it slow. It's a good day for the road. And time goes so fast.
I am not adding any oil or ghee to this because paneer and tomato sauce is enough moist and it does not require any oil at all. So it is perfect if you are looking forward for an oil-free recipe. If you have seasoned your cast iron well, you will not require much oil.
You with the ones you love, but I won't worry today.
Since Anshuman was home, he wanted to eat idli instead of dosas. So I decided to make quick idli out of this same batter. I'll serve along with a very high iron and high protein chutney. I'm soaking some fresh coconut in water which will help in easy grinding.
When you're with the ones you love, but I won't worry today. Even if time flies away. diamonds shine on the snow.
While the idlis are steaming, I'll quickly prepare the chutney. I'm using some chana dal and dry roasting them. All the measurements of the recipes that I'm showing you here is in the description box. Now wash this chana dal and keep it aside as it is really hot right now. So we'll wash it with 2 to 3 watt times. And then I'm taking loads of curry patta. Now curry patta is really rich in iron and many other nutrients. So I just came up with this recipe. I don't know if this recipe even exists anywhere, but it came out so delicious. So this was a handful of curry patta, and along with this I'll add some chana dal, 8 to 12 pods of garlic, 2 red chilies, coconut. I'm using fresh coconut. If you don't have it, then you can replace it with a dried desiccated coconut, and some salt. To enhance the taste and add more nutrition to this, you can add freshly roasted peanuts, or like me, if you're being a little lazy, then go ahead and add a tablespoon of peanut butter. Just blend together everything and you have a very delicious chutney. Add water as per your liking. I am not adding any tarka to this. I like it just like that, but if you like adding tarka, go ahead and add it. I have left the tarka recipe in the description box for you. Insert the knife and check that whether or not idlis are cooked. It is the similar way of testing, just the way we do it for the cakes. It should not be sticky at all. Because we were serving this for our brunch style breakfast, I would like to mention that these idlis are pretty heavy on stomach in terms of being you full, because the glycemic index of millets are so high, it just makes you full after eating 1 or 2 idlis. So please keep that in mind. I was not aware of this and we were feeling so full, we didn't want to eat anything after that. So yeah, it is really good if you're trying to lose weight or you want to reduce the intake of your food in any ways.
If I show up, will you show me around town? If I make you laugh, will you give me some time? 'Cause I know that a girl like you could be falling in love with just about anyone. All I want is just enough.
Since the idli and chutney was slightly on a spicier side, I made a quick sweet sattu recipe. It is a very delicious drink. I have added jaggery, sattu and chia seed to this drink. Now the trick of eating chia seed is that you soak the chia seeds for 15 to 20 minutes before consuming it. Do not eat chia seeds dry. It's not that great for your stomach. So add 4 tablespoons of chia seeds and then add a little bit of water, along 4 to 5 tablespoons of water, and mix it till it becomes jelly like. Chia seeds starts absorbing water and it will not clump at the bottom. And then once it's ready, add it to the sattu mixture. Chia seeds has many benefits. It's one of the superfoods and there are different ways to include it in your daily life, not just by chia pudding. This is one of the easier way where you can enjoy a sweet delicious drink in the morning. It's advisable to consume jaggery in the morning time. It really helps in digestion. I'll serve everything along with some hibiscus tea and cucumber and carrot sticks to dip in the chutney itself.
Do I have what it takes to make you fall in love with me. Am I the real deal or just another one of those who fake it? Maybe I don't really know you. Maybe I don't really know myself. Let me rest in your arms until the morning comes and fades away our fear. I want to grow up with you. Cliche to say, but it's true.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel. Many of you haven't subscribed yet. Please consider subscribing. I post every single week with new recipes and home decor ideas. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.